Alright, welcome back to the channel. This is just going to be a quick video. If you guys have read the post on my channel, you know that I finally closed out on the metal warehouse. It's a new property over in South Carolina, and it took up a lot of my time. It was a lot of energy, a lot of paperwork. I mean, it was just back and forth. It was my third attempt. So I'll be creating some videos, another video series for how to acquire a warehouse or how to acquire a property, and talk about all the different paperwork and stuff like you need to do. So I'm gonna be packing up everything. Before I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and review all of these tools that I haven't posted yet. So I'm gonna post a whole series of tool reviews. Got to get the cars transported and get these tools transported in the boxes and everything, so they kind of come on different containers. So I'm going to be documenting all that stuff. All right, so here's the Casomans. I'll put a link in the description below. This came from Amazon, so let's go ahead and take a look at these. These are universal socket joints. You got your 6.3/8 drive, and you got your 12.3/8 drive, and then also the quarter inch. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. They're pretty nice. I mean, if you want to get into some tight little spots there, and you don't want to use a universal joint, you can go ahead and take a look at these. So we got 19 millimeter, right, 12 points, and yeah, they're chrome vanadium. So they look pretty nice. They feel pretty nice, pretty strong, and you got all your different sizes. So this is when you want to use your ratchet, and you have an extension, and then you just want to add this in there. You don't want to have to add a universal joint and then a socket. The socket's already part of the universal joint. So check it out. Yeah, they're pretty nice, man. Forged chrome vanadium. So it comes in a nice little case. Yep, Casomans, man. Yeah, do some pretty good work. All right, let's take a look at the 12 points here. So same thing. Got your 19 millimeter. All right, there's your 12 points right there. Yeah. See, they forge them pretty well. They're all in there. And it comes with a little foam, low molded case, good stuff. So there you go, 3/8 drive. I don't know if they have a 1/2 inch. I'll go check if I find on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put that link in there, and I'll put a picture up for you guys. And then you got your 1/4 inch. So let's take a look at that. Another low molded case with the foam. Here you go. So you guys go ahead and take a look at that. Yep, all chrome vanadium. And it goes all the way down to what, 6 millimeters? What is that? 5 millimeters? 5 millimeters. 5.5 here. So looks pretty good. Feel pretty strong. High density polyethylene casing, blow molded cases. All right, so that's it for the Casomans.